You're bidding on an ARO double pancake pump. Tag says PD30A. This thing here is 3.5-inch inlet outlet. This came out of a closed plant out of the stock room, represented as functional. We don't really have enough pressure to operate this thing, but we can get it to do a little bit. You want to...
Okay, it's loud.
It's loud, yeah. Yeah, that's about all we can get out of it, so you can unplug it. All right, you want to turn it, and I'll get to the other side. What a monster this is. Oh, it does have a tag. Oh, yeah, all right, well, take that. Is there a tag there, or am I just dreaming? Oh, I am just dreaming. This is what it is. Good luck bidding.